Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. Let's do my nails again. So we're going to do this set. Now my daughter called this set the Galaxy nails. That's what it looked like to her, so I'm just going to go with that same name. With this chrome pattern, I created a V-cut French on this nail. So once I was done with adding the V-cut shape with the foam powder, I decided to use some glitter gel polish to define the line so it can separate the chrome from the regular gel polish, and it can help the design stand out more. This is some gold flake. Well, I know this is not supposed to be used on your nails per se, but this was actually used for one of my children's projects before, and I had it lying around and I kept looking at it and thinking, this reminds me of nail foil. So I decided to try to use it on my nails and it worked. So it did stick to my nail pretty easily. Of course, I am using gel polish, so I did not remove the sticky layer, so it stuck on there pretty nicely. And all I did was add some top coat to it, and it worked as a nail foil. I definitely love using different products for different reasons than what they're usually meant for. And sometimes certain things can be used for multiple uses than just the one use that they're marketed for. And I also decided to add some of it onto the nail with the French tip, and I just stuck it where the glitter polish was, kind of define that area with the glitter and also with the foil. So for this middle nail, I did the same thing, added some foil to this nail, but this time I added it to the center of the nail. So once I was finished with that, I took some sculpting gel. Here's the sculpting gel I used. And I'm just going to create like a circular shape, or maybe call it better an oval shape, around the cluster of foil. And I tried to keep the circle or the oval in the middle center of my nail. And I did take my brush to kind of clean up the edges and define it a little bit more where it kind of got messed up here at the end. I did cure that under the light after I got it to the shape I wanted. Once it cured, then I was able to add some chrome onto it. So I just add the same purple chrome that I've been working with, and I just added it to the oval or circular shape I created around the foil. So once I was done with that, I just kind of top coated everything and this is how the completed set came out. For my thumb, I just basically added some glitter polish on top of that, and I just put foil on the pinky finger, kind of like I put the foil on the ring finger. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.